Good news for Outer Ring Road, Panatha and surrounding area folks. Phase 1 of Bellandur Road Railway Station works is in final stage. Track machine siding coming up on Carmelaram side, which will have track siding with platform. The new track coming from Carmelaram will join existing main line. And then same new line will continue to branch out to form 2 tracks at platform 2 of the station, while track machine siding with existing main line will also form 2 more tracks at platform 1 of the station. New station building along with new platforms constructed at cost of 6 crores will have 2 heightened platforms of 600 meters long and foot over bridge near to station building. Shelter works has started on platform 2 along with platform concretisation. Station building works is in final stage. As platform 1 needs to dismantled, platform 1 extension and station works should be done first and track work on upline, that is platform 2 side, should be finished. This will take 6 months more to finish this station works. Meanwhile, track laying works should pick up pace from Bellandur Road to Beneganahalli, where just earthwork and blanketing work in 70% of stretch. Thanks for watching this video. Please share and like this video and don't forget to subscribe for more content.